Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl E, and guys, I'm upgrading my internet and getting some cable. So I just thought that I'd get some clippage for y'all. Guys, I said the drill board a while and I want to 2 seconds. In 2 seconds, man. Yeah, let me show y'all. Will be accepting online video auditions at superstarband.com. Good girl, I forgot to make you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I forgot to make you subscribe to my YouTube channel. All the big man when he come with the phone. Traits for each letter of the name. So for L, I was lonely. So then I thought I would be. Class dismissed. Ow. Ow. I'm so scared. That spider bites your eyeball, you could die in minutes. And that's a one pound. What's a one, you guys? I'm so pretty. Welcome back to the next section of the video, guys. The technicians have finished installing the cable and the internet, and that's left. So I was here just cause you know them drill to drill the thing through the wall and the dust and stuff. So I was just here cleaning up back and etc, mapping out back the place and whatever. So yeah guys, see internet, I had them install it there on the wall. Yeah guys, and the cable box. So yeah, that's that. I'm super grateful to be able to can do this for myself, you know. So yeah guys, you all will be getting more vlog. Yeah, we'll be getting more vlog upload and things them, because yeah guys, I'm just here. I'm here. I'm going to set up the cable and the TV, guys. Come on, change the password from the original password, from the original digital password. I want to change it on the name and the things them and customize it to my liking. Yeah. So if anything, guys, you know, I'll keep y'all posted if there's any other thing. If anything come up for my vlog, I'll keep y'all posted. Peace.
Golf community.
What's up, my beautifuls, my lovelies, my dans? Guys, it's currently 7:35 p.m. in the night time or evening time. Guys, let's say, guys, I have something to tell y'all about earlier with the internet and the cable. Guys, the technician, me not tell no lie. I'm not even talking down on them or anything, guys, but guys, they not do a good job. Yeah, they install it. Let me mute the TV. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Guys, they did a good job installing it and all of that. Mind you, normally when flow technician come here and install the internet, they connect it to the television, they connect it up to your devices, etc. Them are people here, guys, install the blasted thing, right? I don't even know how to explain this to y'all, because the internet that is picking up on my phone is 5G, digicel, etc. And the internet that is picking up on the television is 2.45G, 2.45G, whatever. Anyhow, got me all confused and thing, and the password wasn't going in. It wasn't taking the password, so therefore I couldn't use the cable. Guys, I was so stressed out, but I figured it out. Guys. I googled it and I figured it out. So I just took a shower a while ago. Did my skincare routine on sanitation. My skincare products I just put on. From when I do a skincare vlog phone with people with the things them and how I apply them. But don't worry, guys, I just have a lot on my plate and I have to be doing them one by one, step by step as I go. Time to come, y'all will be fully updated, fully aware, fully involved in everything that is going on with me. But for now, guys, just give me some grace, please. The greatest thing is I finally get the digicel internet connected, so up and running. Yeah, guys. Another thing, I think I may disconnect back the cable, cause I may say I watch a lot of YouTube and I have the Netflix. The news thing, cause I love watch news, guys. I love know what going on in our country. Foreign news, local news. I'm a news girl. I watch news on YouTube every day on their live website, and the things them, it's not like I'm missing out on anything off YouTube. I am so involved with all of my little things them that I am interested in and watch. So I'm reconsidering, guys. I might disconnect back the cable at the end of the month and just stay with the internet. But so far I'm liking it. Guys. It's a good thing. Currently watching the HGTV $1 Million Dream Home. I like watch some kind of thing too, guys. As I told y'all, I'm an interior designer, guys. So them kind of thing I'm ever into, Yeah. Awesome. Yeah. Anyhow. Oh, I didn't tell y'all the bill. The bill, guys, for the internet and the cable from digicel. Let me see. I have the variety bundle package on the cable, and I have the 5G internet, and the bill is for $11,600 at the end of the month. You get free installation. I have not paid a cent as yet. At the end of the month they will email you and etc. the bill, and you take care of it. So it work out good, guys, because normally when you apply for the internet and stuff, you'd have to pay like the installation fee and all of that. So it's a good deal digicel really have going on for them, and I'm glad I utilized it. Yeah, so Guys, I'm just here. Another thing, guys, I'm not sure if the lighting is all that. As may I buy one ring light, guys. I'm definitely gonna have to buy a ring light, and I'm definitely going to buy another light bulb. May I buy one of the bigger bulb, guys, brighter one them, cause I want a good light phone, guys. So when I'm here vlogging in the night time, I have good light for y'all. But guys, so far I'm here, and I hope that you all are okay. I trust that you all are doing fine. You are blessed and in good health. Yeah, that's pretty much what it is. I'm just here now, guys. So if anything, I'll catch you all later. Peace. Love y'all.
Yo.
Nice.